a drunker, whether me the bird, whether me the ass, or me the donkey. I am five, and that's the moral of the story. No clot. You could have chat me go, chat me come back chat to the back. Who me ignore I hide from, but my bad no more feel like table. That's why I'm not dead yet. That's enough to understand. So I must give me something.
Yeah.
All I know when make mischief, plan me, all who are my enemy and do it enemy, we're strong and glad to see. Me and do it live bad. Remember every dog of them there. And today for me and for tomorrow for Uno. But soon you can be a strong person, stand up and know say, this is what's happening, and I don't like it. And I will fight, and I will scream. And stand up back and have that smile. None of so that's my heart plus that. Go ahead. All in the streaming music and some many artists, and my heart, soul, and body all. I am myself and no other. Queen. So to why I said, call my phone, brethren. You know, book me. You know, give me no ads. You know, give me no dub. You know, give me no promotion. You know, acknowledge me. You know, allow blood. I don't know when we grew me right down in the surrounding there. We have fight against me and I can't stop me because the world I say, Queenie, this is such a Queenie. Watch my husband do it. What? Do it! Ha ha. So do it where you got hide for now. Where you company now and Queen Wave me, I know I'm excited. Where is you, husband? You come off? Do it, stop it. Do it, don't do me that. Not do me that, do it. Dwayne! Moving. I'll leave me with myself. My nice self. That's how I do it. God be the glory. Great thing He has done. To God be the glory. I'm not cuss them. This is the top of my mind. But put them some of the stop cuss. So I forgot any of them wishes. Them some of it done now. Yeah? Okay? Mm-hmm. Are you satisfied now? Mikey said to me and Dwayne husband, we're tired of the excitement and all the disgrace. Tone it down, cool it down, break it up, break it.
Hey, problem, what?
You don't miss me. Hey, you don't talk to me like that. You don't miss me.
What?
You do it. Yeah, but look how long you don't on your sauce. So
Yeah,
I keep it on
what's the problem?
I'm still join my live. You don't finish cook, sir? That sound
You still are doing
like
that for the
next 3
don't
hours. Where's Mash? Where Mash?
I'm not here in a pressure cooker.
All right, my husband. All right, my day.
What?
Yeah. Bye. Yeah. So the little jump train, you know, I put our big heavy bird upon me. You can't do no man. Jesus. You understand? If it were you know, say that it's normal like it to turn me up stiff. Man, I'm the mouth and the not talk. Love me. No damn trash shoulda. Do it eat the water more than me. What I'm Carter? Carter, big up yourself. Do it eat the whole of that to know when they work it out more than me. Yeah, I could do the match. So rhythm I did rhythm of that. Gets me the fiddle and Paris not. Who share? Who always have to and put on them Wi-Fi. And stay so for listen. Him not have to answer me. Him come live with me. He choose to. No can bully me and my husband. Go ahead. My turn back and belly right pound and nasty when me ready. You don't know that. Can't hear me. But as my daughter, you see how long I never that talk about do it? Do it turn on a dirty blood. Coulda co-op. Look how long me over here do it. Come over here. 1,700 on a dirty rat. No? And then I thought, Queenie, you understand? Queenie, you understand? Queenie, move that and have to stunt this. Because if me and doing a live bad, why can't stand up on a can't do that? My husband just tell her to say me that I kitchen and cook. And that's all he wants to do. So about a water that I drop down. Instead the mic out, the pressure cooker make nice. Number one wifey. All who don't have husband for cook for them about. Move glad I'm the queen and the scene. No fun that. Them not like cry, turn man. We cry for every and anything and all things. Both husband. Look a girl, do not move here. Never there, my word, and I can go up on YouTube and watch it. Yeah? Move on the blood. Boy, when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. See that? Marriage. Marriage. Move on. Beat that. Beat that. Both husband. Husband indeed is my husband. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I never hear the pressure cooker. Yvette, I love you, Yvette. From when there's somebody I try to come live with me. She blush right through. I always blush. I always my customer husband, I blush. I'm frightened over my husband. I let him not like me, can't stand me. I'm frightened over my husband. And it's the truth. When I hate me, I'm going to dig up my dirty blood and grind up my bone. Grind it out like on a grind can beef and get too marriage! For better worse, do we? Without you, there is no us. We still need to stop fighting first. Do we? Without you, there is no us. We need to stop fighting first and let these people stop to cuss. They cuss day and night over me and Dewey, and they have their own life to live. Meanwhile, me and Dewey are do good to go, and me bite Dewey pawning balls. When me have bubble Dewey's balls, they one side and balling over we. But they're balling cause they know their life is like a roller coaster too. Life is for me today and for you tomorrow. That all life will be today for me. My Roro dead today. Your Stacy died tomorrow. That's what life will be. It's called destiny. Destiny, Amari's child. You know, see, you pick the wrong destiny. Why? Why? What is Sunday? You choose the I always sang God. You choose the wrong destiny. I not even remember my own song. Why? Queen of food. Man, I like Queen stupid and life. I don't be what I want about Queen. Listen to Queen song.
So people, this is how a mongoose baby look. I mean, I no opinion to see. Little. So I'm go like bird. So if you want him to be your pet, hit we up